If you grew up in Jamaica, you already know there are some things that you just don't do. Don't open that umbrella indoors. Don't let anybody sweep your feet. And whatever you do, do not whistle at night, or else Duppy will be coming for you. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 Jamaican superstitions that some Jamaicans still believe to this day. And by the end of the video, you might start believing them too. So let's jump right into it. So I made sure to write down all the superstitions that we're going to talk about today. There's so many of them, and I want to make sure that we're on track and we're not straying. All right. So the first one I want to talk about is if your hand middle is itchy, that means you'll get some money. And believe me, this one I still believe till today. Because if my, you might be wondering what hand middle mean. This is your hand middle, your palm. So if your palm is itchy, that means you're going to get some money. I still believe this one. Do I always get money when my hand middle is itchy? I don't think so, but I still believe if my hand middle is itchy, I say that means money. Don't sweep the floor at night or you'll sweep away your blessings. So if your floor is all messy tonight, the kids mess up the floor and then you're trying to sweep out all that garbage or all that dust, it's best if you just leave it till tomorrow morning, no matter how messy it is, because that means you're sweeping away your blessing. For this one, I still do this because I don't know, growing up it was just always, oh, don't sweep the floor, and oh, my mom used to always say that. So for me, it's like, yeah, I don't sweep floor at night anymore either. Yeah, I don't. I've never done it and I don't think I will ever do it because I just grew up hearing that. So yeah, that's it for me. I don't sweep the floor at nights. You tell me in the comment section if you still believe in that superstition. Turn your clothes inside out so Duppy can follow you home. You know, this one is especially when you're coming from like a dead yard or a nine night. And, you know, they said when you're leaving the dead yard, you have to make sure you turn your clothes inside out. I don't know if people still believe in that superstition. I never really done that, but for me, if somebody would accidentally put their clothes on inside out, then I would say, oh yeah, try run Duppy. I would usually say that, but I never really done the turn the shirt back way before. Yeah, but what sometimes I would do is because they said if you're coming home at a certain hour of the night, like say after midnight, you have to turn back way and walk inside the door backwards. So don't walk your normal way like this. You have to turn back way and walk behind so that the duppy can follow you inside the house. Yeah, I used to do that when I was younger, but I don't think I do that now. Because when I come from work late hours at night, I don't do that. But yeah, before when I used to live in Jamaica, I used to do that all the time. You let me know if you still do that today. Is don't open an umbrella inside the house or else you won't get married. Or some people would say don't let somebody sweep your feet or else you won't get married. Now with these ones, I joke around with the sweeping one all the time because like if I'm at work and they're sweeping the line, I'm like, hey, make sure you don't sweep my feet because I want to get married. You know, I still joke around with that one, but I don't like entirely believe in it like that, but I just joke around with it. And then the umbrella one, I never open umbrella indoors. Even if I go to the store and I'm trying to buy an umbrella, I'm not going to open that umbrella because I just always feel like that's just bad luck, right? So I still don't do the umbrella thing. If you get stung by a bee, that means you will get money coming to you. I always believe that if you get stung by a bee, yes, there's money coming to you. But would I want to get stung by a bee just because money will be coming to me? Not necessarily. I'll sit that one out. I'll sit that one out. If a green lizard jump on you, that means you are pregnant. Hey. For me, growing up in Jamaica, I always stay far from green lizard because I'm like, yo, if this green lizard ever jump on me, and then especially if the green lizard jump on you with other people in your presence, and then everybody looking at you like, huh, are you pregnant? Huh, are you pregnant? You know, so I always believed that one, that if a green lizard jump on you, you are indeed pregnant for true. Or if you're not pregnant, you're gonna get pregnant anytime soon. And then I think there's one about the curtain lizard, but I don't know, I don't remember. But there's something about the curtain lizard. If the curtain lizard jump on you, bad luck. Let me know in the comment section. Put a red ribbon on a baby's wrist to protect them from evil spirits. I remember growing up, like all the babies, the newborn, they always have this, either they have this red scungy or this red ribbon on the baby's arm. I never really know what it was for, but I always realize that every newborn they put that red thing on there. So I guess it's just chase away evil spirit from the baby. And then some people always say, like, growing up, they always say don't let the baby look in the mirror. But I never know why they said don't make a newborn baby look in the mirror. If you know, comment down below, let me know. Don't put your handbag on the floor or else you're gonna be broke. No, I don't put my handbag on the floor, not because of the broke thing, but I don't put my handbag on the floor because the floor is dirty. And sometimes we tend to put our handbags on the bed, we put our handbags on the kitchen counter, we put our handbags on the couch, those places where we put our skin. So for that reason I don't put my handbag on the floor because it's dirty, not necessarily because of the whole broke superstition. So I guess I don't really believe that superstition. I more believe that if you put your bag on the floor that's too dirty and then you're going to put it on your bed that you sleep on, yeah, that's more the direction that I would take this one too. If your ear is ringing, that means somebody is talking bad about you. So that means somebody is gossiping. They're talking about you so dirty. They're gossiping about you. I still believe in this one. Every time my ear ring, I'm always saying, yeah, somebody's talking bad about me. So I'm like, okay, trying to analyze who could be talking bad about me now. You know what I mean? But I believe in that one. And last but not least is if your left eye is twitching, that means you'll see someone that you haven't seen in a long time. I think I still believe in this one because if my left eye starts twitching or jumping, then I always believe that, oh yeah, I'm gonna see someone that I haven't seen in a long time today. So I have the expectation. Oh, this is my right eye. Why did I say left? Okay, left eye. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, if my left eye is twitching, I still believe I will. And I'm optimistic and I am really looking forward for who I'm going to see today that I haven't seen in a while. And there you have it, 10 Jamaican superstitions that a lot of Jamaicans still believe till today, including me, right? So if you know more superstitions that I didn't mention in this video, please remember to leave that in the comment section. Let's have a nice discussion in the comment section because I know there's a lot more superstition, especially the ones talking about duppy and rolling calf and all of those stuff. Like, let's just talk about that in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nioka. Welcome to Nioka's World, where I post a lot about Jamaica. I post a lot about Jamaican language, Jamaican culture, everything Jamaica. So if that's something that you're interested in, or if you know someone who would be interested in this topic, go ahead and share the video. All right. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.